Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the language option. Once you find it, tap on it, and here you will see the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it and select it, you can then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the language should be changed. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.